Don't want to fix it alone? Call RVFix to get virtual assistance from a certified technician today.
How you doing, Tony with RVFix? Today we're going to do a summarize on a 2026 Jayco model 24 MLE. So first thing we're going to want to do is make sure that the freshwater tank is closed. So we're going to come down here and our drain is right there. You're going to push in on that white handle, okay? And we are on the door side, so we're right behind the tires on the door side. Now we can go ahead and get a hose and fill our freshwater tank so we can flush out the antifreeze out of all the lines. Okay, on this model for our water area, we have a few options. So we got a regular city water connection based on the stickers, and then the middle one is a potable water, which will be your freshwater tank. And then this upper one is your black tank flush, okay? So we're wanting to fill the freshwater tank, so we're gonna choose the middle one here. Snug that on up there and turn the water on. And then we're going to go ahead and fill that fresh water tank. Okay, so we've got about a third of a tank in here, so that's plenty of water to go ahead and flush this out. One thing on this model here, we've got our water pump back here, and so right here, this clear hose inside this panel here, this is the Dewinterize hose. So this is the hose that's used to suck the antifreeze up into your water pump. So we just want to go ahead and check this and make sure that the valve is in the right position to suck the water up. So go ahead and look in here and you see how that handle there is in line with the blue hose. That's going to be in the proper position to go ahead and suck the water up and flush the antifreeze out of the system. So go ahead and put that vinyl hose back in there, and so when it comes time to winterize, that's what we use to go ahead and suck the antifreeze through the rest of the system. All right, so once we come in here, right over here by the steps, we have our monitor panel here. So what we're gonna wanna do is just turn the water pump on, okay? And then we'll head over to the sink. Okay, well, when we're flushing out the antifreeze, we want to select either hot or cold, it doesn't matter, but just one at a time. Go ahead and let it run until it runs clear. There we go, and then switch to hot. Let it run until it goes clear. Very good. Okay, we'll go to the bathroom and do the same thing. Perfect. Again, one water temperature at a time. Okay, don't forget to do the toilet. And the shower. And hot and cold both sides on the shower. Very good. And this model has a spray port on the outside, so let's go out and get that flushed out, so we're just good to go. Okay, so here we are, we're on the door side, and this back storage compartment right underneath here is a spray port. And so we have a hose. Go ahead and put that on there. And same story. Run the cold till it goes clear, hot side till it goes clear. Perfect. And we are summarized, ready to go. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe and leave us a comment in the comment section. We'll get back to you.
Thanks for watching. If this video didn't solve your problem, don't worry. We're here to help. Give us a call at 1-844-66-RVFix. We'll diagnose your issue quickly with a certified technician on a video call, get any parts and warranty processed, and if needed, we'll coordinate a service center or mobile technician to get you fixed. We'll handle it all so you can get back to camping.